The judges of today's project presentation. Judges are our Honorable Principal Sir, Mr. Hashim Ali, Zakir Hussain Sir, and Roshana Ma'am. So they will judge you and your presentation, your lectures, everything. So whatever you speak, you should speak to them also. And after your brief lectures, there will be a segment that will be open for everyone. It may teachers, students, judges, they can ask you questions. So as per your question answers, they will judge you, they will give you some marks, and on the basis of their marks, there will be position, first, second, third. Okay? So before I call the first team, I'd like to request our Kakul Bara sir to felicitate our judges. Mr. Hashim Ali Ahmed, principal of this school. Second, I'd like to call Razim Hussain sir to felicitate our one of the judges, Zakir Hussain sir. And next, I'd like to request Zakir Hussain Ahmed sir to felicitate our honorable judge, Rushida ma'am. Now, without any wasting time, so I'd like to call the first group from class 10, that is group A, Asanamul Haq and Atikul and his team. So they will show here hard working model. So I will, yes. So after that, I will call from class 9, group A, Roman Orange and Rakibul Islam. So you get ready with your model. Now I am going to hand over the microphone to Asanamul Haq.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this. So good morning everyone, our respected judges, our respected teachers and my dear friends. First of all, I would like to thank all the members present here for giving me this great opportunity to show my talent. So first of all, I can say that we have made a working model of the heart. It is fully made of recycled objects such as thermocol sheet, which we have carved in the form of heart. We have used the pipe of the saline to show the blood flow and uses the syringe as hydraulics, and the fluid used in it is water and color, and at last we have decorated it with color papers. So we can see that by pressing this syringe, we can see that there can be blood flow in the heart, which goes this injection represent the red blood, represent the oxygenated blood which comes from the lungs, and the blue blood which came from the body is deoxygenated blood which do not have much oxygen and contains carbon dioxide. So you can show the blood flow by simply pressing it. So as we press the series, the blood flows from passing from the superior vena cava through the four chambers of the heart, including the left atrium, left ventricles, right atrium, and right ventricles. And there is a line separating the two chambers. It is the septum. So it is a simple project which we can show. The circulation of heart is such that in our heart the oxygen-rich blood came from the lungs to the left chamber of the heart, upper left chamber. It is called the left atrium, and then when it relaxes, the blood transfer from the upper atrium to the lower side. It is known as the left ventricles. From here, it passes through the nerve and it is supplied to our body through the aorta. And next time, our human heart, it provides us double circulation, which means the blood in the heart circulates 2 times. And it helps us the body to keep warm and maintain the body temperature. So in the second place, the deoxygenated blood came from the inferior vena cava and superior vena cava. The deoxygenated blood from the upper body came through the superior vena cava, and the deoxygenated blood from the lower body came from the inferior vena cava. Then the blood first enters the right atrium where the blood relaxes, and then when the right atrium contracts due to muscle contraction, it flows down to the right ventricles. From here, the deoxygenated blood passes to the lungs to get oxygenated through the pulmonary arteries. So this is our simple presentation. We hope our judges like it. Thank you, sir.
Now I'd like to request our judges or teachers or any student that you can ask question to them if you have any question regarding this model. Thank you.
Explain me what is the main function of heart. What is the principal, major or main function of heart?
The main function of the heart is to make the circulation in the body. It pumps the deoxygenated blood and oxygenated blood to different organs. And also it maintains our blood pressure, heart rate and the body temperature.
How many chambers are there in a human body heart?
There are 4 chambers in the human body heart. They are mainly right atrium, left atrium, right ventricles and left ventricles.
What happens when the heart fails?
So it is a simple question. When the heart fails, there is no circulation of blood in the human body and its organs, so the human being simply dies.
Hello. Can you tell me the location of neurosensor activity of heart? Location of neurosensor activity of heart.
No, sir, I'm sorry, I don't know the answer of this question.
That means I am asking you from which part of the brain the function of heart is being controlled.
It is controlled from the involuntary part of the brain which controls the involuntary movement. It is the middle part of the brain.
That is not the exact answer, sir. Okay, next question. So you know there are valves between the chambers of the heart. So can you tell me in which part tricapsid valve is present? Tricapsid.
Can I use the presentation?
Yeah.
Can you repeat the name?
Tricapsid valve.
So it is present in the right atrium and the right ventricle.
Okay. And the next question is, the wall of ventricle possesses thick muscular projections. Can you tell the name of that projection? The wall of the ventricle possesses thick muscular projection. Can you tell me the name of that projection?
The myocardium.
It's not myocardium. It is columna cornea. Okay? Okay, thank you. And lastly, you tell me what kind of muscles are present in the heart?
Cardiac muscles.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you all of you for giving me this opportunity.
So is there any student who wants to ask any question?
Hello, I observed that you did not mention pulmonary veins and pulmonary arteries. What are those and what are its function? Can you please explain?
Yes, of course. The pulmonary veins are present in the left atrium. It is the entry of the oxygenated blood to the heart. And the pulmonary arteries are the exit points from where, or the arteries from where the deoxygenated blood of our heart pumps into the lungs.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Our first group from class